Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Magical Story Time, where the world of stories teaches you valuable life lessons. Today's story is the lesson of friendship from Tom and Jerry. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, Tom the cat and Jerry the mouse were living in the same house. They were always chasing and teasing each other. Tom would try to catch Jerry, and Jerry would outsmart him every time. One day, the house was visited by a huge, mean dog named Spike. Spike had no interest in Tom or Jerry's games. He wanted to rule the house. He started growling at Tom and tried to catch Jerry, forcing them both to hide in fear. At first, Tom thought, this is not my problem. Let Jerry deal with it. But when Tom saw Jerry shivering in fear, he remembered how their playful battles were never truly harmful. Despite their differences, he didn't want to see Jerry in trouble. Jerry also realized that if they didn't work together, they both would be in danger. So, Tom and Jerry came up with a clever plan. Tom distracted Spike by pretending to run outside, while Jerry set a trap using a rope and some heavy books. When Spike chased after Tom, he ran straight into the trap, and the books fell, scaring him away for good. After Spike was gone, Tom and Jerry looked at each other and smiled. For the first time, they realized how important it is to support each other. From that day on, they still had their little chases, but they always remembered to stand by each other when needed. So friends, how did you like this story? Did you also realize that together we can solve even the biggest challenges? Stay tuned to Magical Story Time for more fun and meaningful stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you soon with a new story. Thank you.